Here at Anant National University, we have a very diverse foundation year cohort where the students come from various boards, various education system and various walks of life. So in order to bring them on the same page and also break the stereotypes of their preconceived notions and the ideologies, it is very much important to unlearn certain things so that they have some space where they can start their journey of design education with a new and fresh mindset. And in order to do that, all the students of Anant National University go under 10 or 15 days of rigorous unlearning exercises where they are offered various workshops, various activities, various ice-breaking sessions, a very fun way to introduce them with their peers, with their faculty members and with the students. So this is the very important part of education which I am sure that all the Anant National University students take with them and it stays with them for their entire life.